Today I will be explaining to you what, how, what tools, keeping students engaged, and what they will learn from makerspaces. Well, what is a makerspace? A makerspace is a collaborative workspace inside a school, library, or separate public-private facility for making, learning, exploring, and sharing that uses high-tech to no-tech tools. These spaces are open to kids, adults, and entrepreneurs and have a variety of making equipment including 3D printers, laser cutters, machines, irons, and even sewing machines. A makerspace, however, doesn't need to include all of these machines or even any of them to be considered a makerspace. How can makerspaces be used in my classroom? Although it would be really neat to have some of the more expensive tools that many makerspaces have, like 3D printers and electrical kits, I would settle on creating a space that used simple items found around the house, classroom, and school, including recyclables and throwaways. What tools will I need to create a makerspace? Beginning a makerspace doesn't mean that I need to max out my credit card buying tons of material. To begin with, I will stock the space with items that are typically found around the house or school, small and larger boxes, paper towel and toilet paper tubes, egg cartons, masking, and duct tape, as well as liquid and stick glue. I will also ask for donations from parents from other items such as wire, yarn, toothpicks, cups, recycled plastic containers. Tools needed will include screwdrivers, pliers, and scissors. I may need to purchase items such as feathers, pipe cleaners, brads, and craft sticks. If possible, I will try to include old toys or small electronics to be taken apart or help kids discover how things work. Broken toys can also be supplied for students to repair, furthering their knowledge of how things work. Encouraging my students to become makers. Children are tinkers. They enjoy taking things apart to see how they work and being challenged to put it back together. By providing an array of materials, they can create something unique that has never been seen before. In a classroom makerspace, students have the freedom to explore their own interests and to come up with their own projects that they would like to create. Given this freedom, students direct their own learning by developing into topics that they need to learn about to make their own projects successful. How can I make sure students are learning and not just wasting supplies? To help control the consumption of supplies, I encourage that students first create a detailed plan for their project by having a detailed labeling, drawing, and a list of projected materials providing to the teacher. Wasted materials are reduced. This also ensures that the student has carefully thought out, researched, and planned the project.